The management section of the business plan is your opportunity as a business owner to highlight two things. One, that you can run this specific business, and two, that you can run a business in general. This section is not just you regurgitating your resume. You're going to have a resume and you're going to put it in the back in the appendix. This is much more than that. It's much more in depth. And in the business guide, what I do is I say, start off your first paragraph conveying what experiences you have in the industry and or running a business, right? What has happened in your life that gives you the skill set to run this specific business? Make sure you include any education that's involved with that, because education is important too. But why is it you feel you are the best team, the best one to put this forward, either this business and or running a business in general? If you find that you have some kind of lack of knowledge, then this is the section where you're going to show that you are filling that lack of knowledge with someone who has expertise in that. And that is where we come up with that BAIL team that you see on the left here. BAIL stands for the Banking, Accounting, Insurance, and Legal team. Right? These are all specific expertise that most businesses need. So you're looking to find some kind of contact in these different areas that you can tell a bank and or yourself, just say, hey, these guys are experts in the field and these are who I'm relying on to tell me the right way to do certain things. There's also free resources in Maine that you can use to get mentorship, such as the Maine Small Business Development Center, SCORE, and the Women's Business Development Center. Those are all good free resources that you can use to supplement any kind of weakness that you feel is in your management section. Remember, the management section, you're trying to convey to the reader that there's some kind of confidence that this plan will get going, will get done, right? I've seen many business plans where they have a great business plan, but the management is just lacking experience, and it shows in the management section, and the business plan doesn't go forward. And conversely, I've seen business plans where they're not the best written business plan, but the management team is very strong in their past experiences and skills, but the bank is willing to take a risk on them simply because of what experiences they highlight in that management section. So the management section is important to make sure you're conveying a confidence in your ability to do the job and to run a business.